Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. When I'm doing a remodel for a customer, I often get the question, should I install a conventional water heater or a tankless water heater? My answer is they're both good choices. And it's not a matter of which one's better, it's a matter of which one's better for you. Let's have a look at how they work. A conventional water heater typically stores about 40 or 50 gallons of hot water. When you use hot water, the tank then fills back up with cold water, which gets heated up and is ready for the next time. A tankless water heater heats water on demand. When a hot water tap is turned on, cold water travels through a pipe into the unit where a burner element heats the water. As a result, tankless water heaters deliver a never-ending supply of hot water. A conventional water heater is a lot less expensive to purchase and to install than a tankless unit. However, we've all experienced it, they can run out of hot water. Plus, in some parts of the country, water heaters are located in the attic. So if that baby bursts, you've got water flooding your whole house. A tankless water heater takes up much less space. It can last twice as long as a conventional water heater. Plus, you never have to take a cold shower. That makes it a good choice for large families. Now, while the installation costs can be higher, the energy savings help make up the difference. The bottom line, I recommend consulting with a professional to fully understand your options. If you need help deciding which water heater is best for you, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.